So if you want to see the opening posting periods from the Fiori, and the transaction is /n/UA2/FLP. So I want to add this transaction to here favorite. Here /n/UI2/FLP. Showing does not exist. I think I used wrong. Insert transactions. Something is wrong. Go to /n/UI2/FLP. You can see if I enter here, I'm able to open here. We will add later to favorites. So here manage posting period variants. Manage the period, manage posting period. And posting periods, if you open here, from here you can check posting period view or complete code view. So for example, our posting period is variant is GEIP. Just search. And if I go to search and go, this is a posting period view. So I want to check from the company codes. Here you can see what we have created. K for our fiscal year variant, and this is valid from my two accounts. You can check here. We have opened 6th period to 12th period. Uh, so you can see normal and adjustments. So we have open, we have given like in the normal interval 1 only, right? Sorry, interval 2, right? If I give, for example, we'll check. Go to /n OB52 here. OB52 GIP. I'm adding in posting period 1 2025. Sorry, period is I want to use previous year special period. Okay, 13 2025 to 16 2025, and just save. Here let's go to Fiori. Where is our app? I have closed or what? Okay, again reopen it. I saved. Just I'm going back. /n/UI2/FLP and open. Manage posting periods. So our is GIP. Just go. You can see I have added in the plus account type. So normal account, you can see the posting periods of 6 to 12, whereas adjustment it is showing so 13 to 16, and the CO related we did not enter, right? That's showing as empty. So you can see the differences here. Okay, we'll see next coming classes a different topic. Okay. Thanks.